everybody, and welcome back to Rainbow Brush. My name is Brian, of course, and today we are going to be drawing Barbie doll. So this is the Barbie doll that we're going to be drawing. I hope you have fun with this. Grab some markers or some pens or some paint and follow along if this is something you want to draw. I will be giving you trivia facts throughout this video about the actual Barbie doll Barbie. I hope you find this interesting and entertaining. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see other videos. Thank you so much for being here. Let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to start with the crown. This is pretty easy to draw. You can draw it as well, and if you do draw it, make sure you put in the comments. I would love to see all of your beautiful artwork out there. Alright, so let's get into the facts of Barbie. Barbie is a huge brand name now, and Barbie is everywhere. You can find Barbie in every store you go in almost, and Barbie has been around a very long time. First fact, did you know that Barbie's full name is Barbara Roberts? She is from, fictional of course, Willows, Wisconsin, where she attended high school. So there's a huge backstory of all the Barbie facts and history and stuff like that. It's, you know, it's not real, but if you want to pretend, that's okay with me. Barbie doll's official birthday is March 9th, 1959. How crazy is that? So March 9th, 1959, Barbie has been around since then. 59! The exact date she was unveiled to the toy industry during the New York Toy Fair. So that is actually her birthday. Barbie first appeared in the now famous black and white striped swimsuit. Barbie doll's debut look was polished off with her signature ponytail, a hairstyle representative of the 1950s, or the 1959 year. The first Barbie doll sold for, how much do you think it sold for? $10, $100. Actually, it was $3. So if you own that $3 Barbie doll right now, I bet you it's worth a lot of money. Not that you would sell it, right? Because you like to dress it up and comb its hair and stuff. I don't know, I'd probably sell it just because it's probably worth a pretty penny. Barbie doll's first pet, what do you think it was? A dog? A dinosaur? What was Barbie's first pet? Well, Barbie's first pet was a horse named Dancer. I think I remember that actually. And Barbie doll's signature color is Barbie pink. Now, Barbie pink is trademarked, and it is a specific color. And if you see Barbie pink, you will know exactly what color it is, because really it's an iconic color that's been around a long time. How tall is Barbie? Well, the Barbie doll stands 11.5 inches tall. The best-selling Barbie doll ever was in 1992, Totally Hair Doll, with hair from the top of her head to her tippet toes. Did you know that Barbie doll has over 180 inspirational careers? We'll say Barbie. Barbie has had 180 jobs. How crazy is that? I don't know if she quit or got fired from all of them, but she has had 180 jobs. She's done everything from doctor to vet. I mean, she's done it all. Today, a mint condition #1 1959 Barbie doll that we were talking about earlier. Guess how much that's worth? $27,450, and that was at auction. The most expensive Barbie however, was designed in partnership with Australian jewelry designer Stefano Centuri to raise money for the Breast Cancer Research Foundation. Guess how much that doll sold for? It was for a good cause. It sold for $302,500 at auction in 2010. I hope you're having fun drawing this doll with me right now. We're gonna start coloring it in. I love the dress. The dress is gonna really pop once you put some colors in there. You can make it a little bit blue. It almost looks like she's, I don't know, getting married or something right now, but we can change that with a little bit of color, or you can keep it white and she could be getting married. Totally up to you. So when did the Barbie craze actually start taking off? Well, in the 1990s, thanks to the advent of eBay and the introduction of designer Barbie dolls, including the Bob Mackie Gold Barbie, which featured 5,000 hand-sewn golden sequin accents. Wow, that would be very hard to do. Barbie traveled into space in 1965, 4 years before man walked on the moon. Wow, so Barbie went to space before we even went to the moon. Barbie has done it all. I wonder if there's a Barbie doll out there that is a trash collector. What do you think? Or like a sewer cleaner or a plumber? I'm gonna have to check that out. What do you guys think? Probably not a Barbie job, but maybe she's done it. I don't know. So since we're here, I just want to let all of you guys know that we have so many more videos out there, and if you'd like to subscribe to the channel, you will get notifications when they all come out. Now, they're not bothersome notifications that come out all the time, but if you see something that you like and you want to draw along or just see how it's made, hit that subscribe button now. Make sure you like and comment on the video too, of course. That always helps the channel out, and I love talking to each and every one of you. The blue in this dress is looking beautiful. What color did you make your dress? Make sure you tell me in the comments, because I really would love to know. A little bit of shading here and there will make this Barbie stand out. A little bit of pink on the cheeks and the hair, a little bit dark on the shaded areas on the underneath, really makes the Barbie look professional. So if you're wondering, how do I get that professional look? Really, it's in the little tiny details, mostly in the shading. Shading really helps. Of course, you can do this however you would like. You can use any color you would like, and you can even make her have a mohawk, I don't know. Because this is art, and this is your world. We're gonna put some details on the crown. And now look at this beautiful, beautiful picture of a Barbie doll. Love it. How did yours turn out? Look at all those sparkles. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you see some of our other videos so that we can draw together again. Have a wonderful day, night, evening, or wherever you're from, whatever time it is, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.